Okay, so today we're going to be measuring a VX salt chlorinator. We're going to be measuring the output and showing waveforms using an oscilloscope. We're also going to be using a multimeter to test volts DC at different outputs and how that relates and how that is viewed on the oscilloscope. So right now we've just switched our VX chlorinator on. As previously shown, we had nothing on the oscilloscope. Now we're seeing our waveforms. If we move over to our testing with our multimeter, as we can see, we're testing and getting around 6.3, 6.4 volts DC on level 4 output. If we now increase that to level 8 output, we now watch our waveforms change to become wider, and we will now see our output change from around that 6.6 volts to 11.1 volts. Now also something interesting, if we take into account that our constant supply should be around the 220, 240 volts, if we actually decrease that output to around about the 200 volts, we will now see our waveforms change considerably. We will also note that we are now seeing a low salt indicator on the VX chlorinator. If we now go to testing with our multimeter, we have also now dropped in what we're outputting.